All right, we got all our sheets done. All of our sheets are sitting down here. Right now I'm on sheet 1. There's sheet 2, which is the assembly. Here's sheet 3, which is part 1, piece 1. And again, I found the most, and this is my front view, right side view, top view, isometric view. This is my most descriptive view with the least amount of hidden lines. So again, on the L shape, least amount of hidden lines. This one here, front, top, right side. Front, top, right side. And front, top, right side. So we adjusted that. If you need to adjust any of those, I can double click on this one and I can adjust it to see my different views to get these different views out of there. So that's how we complete that. Now let's talk about dimensioning. So dimensioning happens, we need to say how big these sizes are. So we want to get some decent space around our parts and pieces so that we can dimension appropriately. And basically we're doing all square parts here. So we are dimensioning with what we're going to call ordinate dimensions. So we have some dimensions that are just like this, endpoint to endpoint, 0.75. I can pull it over here, 0.75. And these are standard dimensions. But the new standard practice, and these are a general practice, but another practice is called ordinate dimensions. So I start with 0 there, and I'm going to actually extend right here. I'm going to start with the 0 there. And I'm going to pull dimensions according to that. And like that. So we have a reference feature here. And then we're pulling those dimensions, and I'm actually going to pull that one off the top. So we have a reference feature, and these dimensions are automatically figuring it out for me. So now I know what's happening there. Now we're going to do another reference point back here. Click my edge, click my bottom edge. I have my overall here already, so I don't need any of these lines. Got my height here. So I don't need this because this is showing me this block sticking out. Got my overall height here. And I am good with this dimension. So I can move on. So again, I'm looking to make sure every item is dimensioned. And really, I would probably even get rid of this one here and this one here because it's dimensioning to these, or that bottom one I actually like. I like this bottom one here, but this one here is going to a line in the middle. That's not a very good dimensioning practice. So I'm going to go here, here, here. That's a better dimensioning practice. Ordinate dimensions again. I want to start in the lower left-hand corner. Oh, and I see I don't have a lower left-hand corner, so I click on Edge Extension. Click this edge, it gives me that edge extension point. So now I can start there, go to this edge, go to my top edge, start here, go to this edge, and go to my bottom edge. I'm going to drag this whole view up a little bit so I can fit it in there. So this bottom edge is already dimensioned, this width is already dimensioned, this depth is not dimensioned yet. So again, I'm going to go to my edge extension, boom to boom, start at my 0, giving me my depths there. Now I have my width, my height, my depth. This one here, I actually don't need any dimensions on because I already have this dimension. No, I don't have this dimension. Look at that. Let's keep that one up. 2.25 I already do have. This one here I can delete. And I do have this dimension over here. So this one's complete. Part number 4, dimensioning again. Don't have a corner, don't have a lower left-hand corner, so I'm going to shoot those edges over there. X, Y. Drag this. Got a sharp edge here, got a sharp edge here. Of course, it wants to snap on. There we go. Don't want them to touch those lines at all. Getting this down just a little bit. And I can hit save here. Piece 5, my title block. Now just go back through and double check. Puzzle block, puzzle assembly. Puzzle block, puzzle assembly, exploded view. Puzzle block, puzzle assembly, piece 1 with all my dimensions on it. Piece 2 with all my dimensions on it. Piece 3, all my dimensions on it. Piece 4, all my dimensions on it. Piece 5, all my dimensions on it. All right, so now we're ready to save this up. We're going to go over here to output. It says output PDF, all sheets, open PDF. You don't have to open it in line weight, but you can hit OK. This is going to save it as a PDF and hit save. And that's what you'll be uploading to Schoology for your assignment. Great job getting the puzzle block completed.